we're going to solve one more trigonometric equation. We'd like to solve the equation 4 sine squared theta plus 7 sine theta equals 2. We're looking on the interval 0 less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi. First thing we'd like to do is subtract 2 from both sides. So we'll have 4 sine squared theta plus 7 sine theta minus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is not a quadratic equation, but it is quadratic in form. So we have sine and we have a sine squared. If we use a substitution, we can see the quadratic form. We're going to let u equal the sine of theta. If we do that, rewrite our equation, we'll have 4u squared plus 7u minus 2 equals 0. Now this is a quadratic equation in u. We can solve that how we've solved quadratics before. We'll try to solve that by factoring. This does indeed factor. We can factor this as 4u minus 1 times u plus 2, and that equals 0. We're going to set each of these factors equal to 0. 4u minus 1 equals 0, or u plus 2 equals 0. This one will give us u is equal to 1/4. And here we'll get u is equal to negative 2. Now we're not solving for u, we need to solve for theta. So we need to go back to our substitution. We'll see that we have the sine of theta is equal to 1/4, or the sine of theta is equal to negative 2. Now we can see that this second equation will have no solutions because there is no angle theta that we can take the sine of and get negative 2. So that equation is no good to us. So we just need to work on this. Sine of theta is equal to 1/4. The sine of theta will equal 1/4 in the first and second quadrants. That's where sine is positive. And so we'll get that theta is equal to sine inverse of 1/4, or theta is equal to pi minus sine inverse of 1/4. So we get our angle in quadrant 1 and in quadrant 2. We get the approximate values. We'll have theta is approximately 0.253, or theta is approximately 2.889. So we can write our solution set then as 0.253 and 2.889.